Sephora Beauty Insider Review, Usage Experience. If you're wondering whether Sephora's Beauty Insider program is worth your time, this video is for you. Designed for beauty enthusiasts of all levels, the program offers a tiered loyalty system: Insider, VB, and Rouge, based on your annual spending. Even at the free Insider level, you gain access to exclusive perks like birthday gifts, early access to sales, and points for every dollar spent. These points can be redeemed for deluxe samples, limited edition rewards, or discounts through the Rewards Bazaar. As you climb tiers, the benefits increase significantly. VIB members get a higher birthday gift value and 10% off select events, while Rouge members enjoy free shipping and first access to major launches, plus 20% off during seasonal sales. The user experience is seamless. Signing up is quick, and the program integrates perfectly with your Sephora account, whether shopping online or in-store. The app makes tracking your points, accessing rewards, and viewing your tier benefits incredibly easy. One standout feature is the Rewards Bazaar, refreshed regularly with new options, though popular items can sell out fast. Additionally, the Beauty Insider community provides a space to share tips and connect with other beauty lovers, adding an engaging social aspect. However, the program isn't perfect. Redeeming points for discounts often requires a high point threshold, which can feel underwhelming if you're a casual shopper. The value of the point system heavily favors frequent buyers, so the program is best suited for those who regularly purchase from Sephora. Another drawback is that some benefits, like early access to sales, may not feel significant if you're not looking for hot-ticket items. In conclusion, the Sephora Beauty Insider program excels at rewarding loyal customers with tangible perks, exclusive access, and a sense of community. While casual shoppers might find it less impactful, for anyone serious about beauty products and regular Sephora purchases, it's a no-brainer. From luxurious samples to significant discounts for higher-tier members, it transforms the shopping experience into something much more rewarding. If you love beauty and shop at Sephora often, it's worth signing up today.